Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Stacy. Join me as we explore the exciting features of the brand new PYDLife 40-pound sublimation oven. I will begin with the unboxing and then I will be doing sublimation on neon tumblers to show you how it works. This new PYDLife sublimation oven has large capacity to sublimate several cups or tumblers of different sizes at once. It comes with heat-resistant gloves, heat-resistant tape, clips, and different sizes of shrink wrap. I'm going to link the new PYDLife 40-pound sublimation oven in the description down below. Before I continue, I would like to thank you for coming to my channel and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do so. It really lets me know that you value the kind of content that I'm giving you, and to be honest, it inspires me to keep on going. I'm going to place the oven racks. Turn on the oven, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the time and temperature. You can adjust it to Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then turn the knob to the sides to adjust to the desired temperature. Now go to the right knob and we are going to adjust the time. Once preheated, just turn on the start button and the timer will start running. I'm going to print these designs to sublimate on neon tumblers. To print these designs, I like to use the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you would like to learn how to use Inkscape for sublimation, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. Then to print the designs, I use my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. These are the tumblers that I'm going to be sublimating. I'm going to remove the handle to this one so I can wrap it with the design. I found these designs on Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link them in the video description down below. I'm going to wrap the design and I'm going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. Now I'm going to wrap them with the shrink wrap. For this, we're going to need a heat gun. Also, you can use heat-resistant gloves. Shrink wrap comes in different sizes. Now we're going to bake the tumblers. We're going to bake them at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. This new PYDLife 40-pound sublimation oven has large capacity to sublimate several cups or tumblers of different sizes at once. Close it and press start. Once ready, I'm going to place them on a heat-resistant surface to let them cool. Then I'm going to remove the shrink wrap and the paper to reveal the design. And here we have the beautiful neon tumblers already sublimated. Look how beautiful they look. As you can see, this oven is very spacious. You can sublimate several cups or tumblers at the same time. These are the 3 PYDLife Sublimation Oven. The one on the right is the one that we've been using for this tutorial, the 40-pound Sublimation Oven. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, review, and tutorial of the new PYDLife 40-pound Sublimation Oven. If you like this video, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.